from San Diego, this is the Fox 5 News at 5.
Good Tuesday evening. I'm Kathleen Bade.
And I'm Andrew Luria. We start this evening as residents of one of the hardest hit areas by the flooding in January have now filed a lawsuit against the city of San Diego.
In fact, more than 300 people are listed on the official complaint. And Fox 5's Misha DeBono is live in Southcrest with more of the details. Misha.
Yeah, hi there, Kathleen. Hi, Andrew. Yeah, you'll recall that this street, Beta Street in Southcrest, the entire neighborhood was underwater about 3.5 months ago. Many of these folks lost absolutely everything, the homes sitting here vacant. Well, today we learned that hundreds of these residents are part of a lawsuit against the city, and they're asking for $100 million. Hundreds of residents and property owners in one of San Diego's hardest hit areas by the January 22nd flooding have filed a lawsuit against the city of San Diego.
It's been catastrophic for, I think, everyone that's been involved. I mean, the businesses that we've talked to that have lost income, the families we have talked to that have lost their homes, the children that have missed school. We have clients that were trapped in their home because of the floodwater and were hospitalized.
The lawsuit alleges the city's failure to maintain the storm drains resulted in the catastrophic flood that forced people onto their roofs, swimming in neck-high water with only the clothes on their backs.
51, I got to do a get it done report. If not, it'll sit there.
Residents like Greg Montoya, whose property backs up to Choyas Creek, he says the city knew about the issue for decades and did nothing.
It could have been avoided had the city clean and maintain a stormwater system and install the drains that they were supposed to install back in 2011.
And he says while the city has done some work since the flood, they're not doing enough.
For the trash left on the streets, the back creek still is full of trash. I mean, they cleaned some, but it still needs a lot of attention. The dirt alley in the back is full of potholes.
The roughly 300 plaintiffs are asking for damages of $100 million. Flood attorney Evan Walker sued the city in the past for a similar issue.
I think the difference is in the 2019 lawsuit, you had 6 or 7 people, and here you're going to have over 300. And so I think it's a lot more difficult for the city to ignore over 300 people.
And so we did reach out to the city. They say as of yet they have not been served. They also say they do not comment on pending cases. From Southcrest, I'm Misha DeBono.